Hi guys, what's up? It's been a long time since we last did this, so yeah, and I've been quite busy. So yeah, let's go. Anyways, yeah. So this is what we have working so far. And what we're trying to do is detect for collision. Okay, now I remember. Oh, I wrote this code off screen. Okay, let me just do this. So what we're doing today is we're gonna be detecting for what collisions and stuff. Yeah. So first few things I added off screen is the booleans for X collision and Y collision to know if our board or game object or our ball is colliding on the X or on the X axis or Y axis. Yeah, because the board needs to stop once we get to the other side. So let's get at it. So I created these booleans off screen, boolean X collision and Y collision, and yeah. And inside the tick method or the update method, I'm gonna say I'm gonna set X collision to false. Both of these equals to Y collision, which equals to false. And then here we're gonna say if X is smaller than 0, X is smaller than 0, then we're gonna say X collision equals to true. If Y is smaller than 0, then Y collision equals to true. So let's just. Oh, I think I also put some code inside the board graph. Yeah. Let me just remove it from now. Something wrong. I think I broke something. Yes, that's working. So let me just say if X collision, and I'm gonna say we collide in X. We collided on X. Yeah, it does work. So now what we want to do is we want to limit the movement. Oh wait, I didn't explain what X collision means. What the X smaller than 0 means. Okay. So yeah, so what X smaller than 0 means basically position of your board, right? This the X position of your board. If it's smaller than 0, this is X0. If it's smaller or equal to 0, then we collided. So anyways, so yeah, I need to also create other variables inside here. X move and Y move. inside the board, instead of using move, I should just use X move. In fact, I don't need to do this. So basically, if X collision, what we're gonna do is we're gonna set X equals to 0. And if Y collision, we're gonna set Y equals to 0. But we're not dealing with Y collision just yet, because we don't have the ball yet. In fact, smaller or equal to instead of smaller than 0, and then yeah, let's go. As you can see, we collided and we're not moving anymore. So what we did right now is basically we dealt with the collision on the left side of the screen. We haven't dealt with the ones on the right side. And for that we need the width to know the width of the game. And where is that? This project's been outstanding for a while. Also, this width right over there. And now we need to set X collision for the other side, right? So we're gonna say if X is bigger or equal to if X plus what plus the width is bigger or equal to the width of the game. What's the width of the game? Break a dot width, right? And then we're gonna say X collision equals to true. Equals to true. Damn, I can't even spell. So we're gonna say X equals to 0, not 0. X equals to X plus width. X equals to, so break a dot width minus width, yeah, minus that equal, yeah. And we need to do the same thing for Y. Y height, and change all of this to height. X collision equals true, and then now this should be Y collision. Y. Change all of this to height, and this to height. Now in the run test, nothing works, and we don't go over. So basically we dealt with collision detections with the walls, yeah. So that's it for today, and I think in the next video we're gonna make the ball, we're gonna add the ball, yeah. So that's it guys, peace. Hope you like, subscribe and enjoy.